Well, let's jump straight into it. So here's what it looks like in the final prototype. Right, so opening the resource shared in the link below, you can see the files set up to make things as easy as possible. It comes in a component structure and then one with the assets on their own. So the first thing you want to do is change the text to whatever the final word should be. Double clicking inside the keyboard lets you change dark mode for both the keys pop out and the default keyboard in the background. Now, in terms of simulating typing, first thing you want to do is duplicate the starter artboard. Double clicking a few times lets you go inside the state and change it to whatever key you're trying to simulate. So if we take a look here, I've gone ahead and already set up a structure for the animation. I'm going to show you now how to do the final two letters. So duplicating an artboard with the key already selected, change it to the last letter, and moving this little bit across to reveal the second last letter. Then simply change the key to the relevant one, and then finally in the final artboard you want to reveal the entire word. So prototype wise it's pretty simple, you just link the two on a time delay with 0.1 second, transition and animation of none. And let's take a look.